To set up this reading journal, I used a dot grid notebook, just a regular one, and I covered those pages and dates whenever I could. It was not a big deal. I also used two scrapbook pages in contrast colors, but in the same color scheme, and they were together in a set. So they were already paired as they were. They were all different colors in that set. So I used one whole page of this square and a little less than I have some leftovers from the second one. I also used washi tape in 3 different thicknesses just to embellish the pages. I used highlighters in earthy colors, a couple of pens and stickers. I had horses, but you can use any stickers you want. This dot grid journal comes with a content page at the front, and it goes for a couple of pages and ended up here as well. And I didn't want it to be just lined paper, so I used 2 of my papers. I just trimmed them around, used some just ripping around the corner, and then from the other page I cut a new corner again, and just glued them here, put some washi tape and a sticker, and I turned out to like it a lot. And then on the cover page I wrote a reading journal, and I used washi tape and the year. I like those horses a lot. To trim those corners, I used this little tool that helps me trim corners, just like this, and your corner is rounded. Instead of glue, you can also use a double-sided tape. Next pages are the ratings key, having my 5 stars, starting from I do not like that, it was okay, I like it, I really liked it, and it was amazing, being 5 stars. And then my reading goal here, probably about like 30 or 50 books. That's gonna be a number here in 2025. And here again I used washi tape. Then later I changed this washi tape because it kind of, I don't know, I did not like it, but I did not change it here. So the next one is the alphabet challenge. It's gonna be a title starting with this letter. Then to be read books, here is another list. Oops, I missed that. When I was in a hurry and didn't want to spend too much time, I just quickly added those things with the washi tape. It was really easy to attach, and then later I went and I just put glue wherever I could, and that's how easy it was. I did it in one sitting, all these pages, watching TV, so it was really nice. And I did the washi tape, and then after that I went and I draw those boxes around. Next page is Read the Rainbow. So the cover of the book will be a color from the rainbow, and it turns out to be really cute. I had washi tape with rainbows, of course. Here are a spot for the series, actually. The books are gonna come in series, so you can add here extra squares, or I put also an extra line here in case I might order them by line, or if they have 1, 2, 3, I'll get like a square with a check mark, and there's different ways you can do it. Next one is Reading for Growth, and they have different themes here. A book that addresses current events, an immigration story, a book that's more than 600 pages, a Newbery Award winner or an honor book, 3 books by the same author, and a Pulitzer or National Book Award winner. Over here, reading for fun, a book with a house with secrets. That's gonna be fun, I think. A book without a death or a murder. That's gonna be a challenge because I like those stories. A book set somewhere you would like to visit. That's gonna be a hard choice. A book about books and a juicy memoir, and a book you chose for the cover. Isn't that fun? And here is the other washi tape I introduced, and I stopped using the one with flowers. Here we have a reading bingo. So all these like B1, I'm gonna put the title here, but it's a non-fiction book, a book with one-word title, a trilogy, a book published the year you were born, a book from the children's section in the library. I love kids books, graphic novel, reader's choice, a translation, another reader's choice, a book from my shelf, a funny book, a banned book. There's another reader's choice here, the free space, a book set in the future, books from the same author, 2 books from the same author, mystery book, an old favorite. It's gonna be a very hard thing to choose, a YA book, explore a new author, myth or a fable, a book about science, a book of short stories, bestseller, and a book with a color in the title, and another reader's choice. Here is a Where reading challenge. I love this one. Near a body of water, at a coffee shop, in a lobby, in a plane, train, or a train car. Maybe train and a car. With a snack, after a walk, during breakfast, in a recliner, 50 or more miles away from home, on a beach, in a bed, on a porch, with chocolate, with at a place new to you, in the bathroom, with a warm beverage. That's gonna be a fun challenge. So each month, when I'm done with the books I've read, I'm gonna pick one which will be the book of the month. So I have here 12 months. I got this suggestion on Pinterest, and I think I really liked it. So I went with the marker, with the highlighter, and I just went around it, little scribbles. Then here is my reading log. I thought that if I'm too lazy to do all these challenges, I'll just keep a reading log here. And I put another page for the series, just a list if I don't want to do all the fun stuff. And I have extra pages for that. And then I'm thinking of adding TV shows and movie log here. I'm just gonna maybe pick a different theme, not in those vintage colors, but I still haven't chosen that. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you in the next one.